Hi, Itiman PH here. Since medyo maraming views yung isang content natin na about software engineering na almost wala na masyadong trabaho yung mga software engineer, especially with the UI, the logic, the feature implementation. And as you can see here, meron tayong Cloud AI, a premium one, na gagamitan natin to develop a Photoshop-like application. And immediately it will show us kung anong itsura ng application based on the description na pre-prompt din natin dito kay ChatGPT. Here's my prompt na and yan yung ilalagay natin. So ChatGPT was the one na nag-develop ng prompt. So as much as possible, you use another AI model kasi to prompt na kung paano yung requirement ng AI model na yan. Then i-paste lang natin yan dito. Yan. Then enter and let the AI work in the background. So as you can see, the AI is currently checking on the prompt that you requested or the prompt that you pasted, and then it creates a to-do task. Ganun siya ka-organize. So based on the prompt na, so just to give you a background, where I am requesting to create a Photoshop-like web application na where I can edit photos or manipulate images in this project. So currently the AI is working on it. Yan. So while the AI is currently thinking or working with the project, so let's investigate on what this AI will plan to do. So core constraint, web application only, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, canvas-based rendering, the HTML5 canvas. It also mentioned na no AI feature, no server side. Ayun, meron nang generate siya. Ayun, while reading. So nakita ko lang. So create project structure. So if I also include yung mga na gawan niya ng documentation, it will make a documentation para So again, from time to time si AI is gagawa ng isang application based on the initial instruction. But we should admit din na we as humans minsan nagkukulang din doon sa instruction. So we need to be detailed din from time to time kung anong ibibigay natin sa kanya. As you can see, gumagawa na rin siya ng CSS. May toolbar CSS, style.css. In just a minute, nagawa niya yung mga yan. And I don't know if may isang programmer din na kaya niyang gawin yan na ganun kabilis. Again, this is not a replacement for human being, rather it would be an upgrade for software engineer. The one that who adapt will be the one who will be whitelisted to the recession na nangyari ngayon. Yun. So currently nasa implement canvas system na siya. Still on the implement canvas system right now. Okay? 4 minutes na, but developing such feature, it would take weeks or months depende sa expertise ng web developer mo, since this is a web application. So let's investigate the functions. Okay, generate ID, clamping, RGB to hex, yung mga create na rin siya ng mga helper function, utils, the layers. So nag-create siya ng class. Basically, this is very important, object-oriented programming. One thing I've noticed is yung class niya na layers contain multiple class. So, yan, katulad yan, it doesn't met yung requirements mo to organize based on yung mga functionalities. Yan, pwede mong i-prompt yan to organize yung mga class. So imagine we are requesting to create a Photoshop-like na web application with brush tool, cropping tool, move tool, eraser tool, rectangular or lasso selection. Ito medyo text tool, gradient tool, layer panel, add height, reorder quality, basic adjustment, brightness, ganon. UI naman, left toolbar, top menu bar, right sidebar, center canvas, workspace, okay. Upload, multiple layer, ayun, multiple layer. High level, up architecture, yeah, output requirement. Sobrang detailed, kala mo may project manager ka na lang. Diyan na nagko-code. And let's wait, I'm really excited. Actually, this will be my first time na using Cloud AI to generate ng isang feature application. I've already seen this in a video na kaya nga. Actually, doon sa video na yun, isang script lang Isang HTML, isang JavaScript, isang CSS. But here, multiple na kahit pa paano. Matagal, pero imagine kung isang taong gagawa nito. Yan. This would take a month of development. So, kahit sabihin na natin, siguro may experience yung developer. So, currently editing na yung mismong application. So i-attach niya na to sa HTML. Then, kasi yung HTML only contains of the major layout and components, then ima-manipulate yan ng mga tools in the app.js. Yan. Completed na pala. So, the AI build na rin the layer management, implement drawing tools, implement crop and text tools, implement gradient tool, add adjustment, image adjustment, add file operation, and polish and test. Even to the testing. So, imagine that. Even to the testing. Ganun kalupet. Galing oh. Photoshop like, eh. Ganun lang. Ganun lang kabilis. AI yan. So, let us try this picture, Photoshop. Then, siguro kailangan natin mag-canvas size. Palitan natin canvas. Yung nakakapagpalit. Horizontal. Then, siguro let's upload. Saan ba makakapag-upload? May only one exported. Mag-upload ulit ako. Kinat ko lang kasi may mga kailangan hindi pa kita. So, okay. We have here IT man banner. Sorry, hindi man bias pero ito yung available lang. So, we have the cropping tool. Meron na siyang crop. Yan. For example, we will crop yung ganun lang. Yan. Then, let's apply. Oh, yun, oh. Yan. Okay. Brightness. Kailangan kompleto, yun, no? Yan. Photoshop, brush. Yan. Kahit pa paano yung brush na. Galing. Ano lang yan? Yan. So, eraser. I believe this is an eraser. Okay. And this one, properties, what is this? Gradient. Okay. And then text. 1, 2, 3. Since I only have one hand. Yan. So, a Photoshop-like tool. Saglitan lang ginawa ng AI. So, we can add more functionality to it. Pero, basically, it's working. Sige. It's working na rin talaga. And you can export that into image. Let's try to export that to image. Ayan. And we have a photo. Manipulated photo. And that's it lang. So, yun, pinakita ko yung video na to just for you to show on how Claude AI, on how AI can basically hasten the process of developing a picture. That's why recession did happen. Diba? Kasi as much as possible, business mind ng mga executive within tech companies, syempre to minimize yung mga inefficiency, and that's one of the process of doing it. So that's it for now, and this is Acuman PH.
IT Man PH. Like, comment, and follow.